members known as the Almighty Tallest. When the Tallest see that Zim has returned, they decide to really get him out of their hair and send him to an unknown planet, later revealed as Earth. When he arrives at Earth, Zim attempts to blend into society through some unconvincing means. While most people accept that his green coloring is just a skin condition, one of Zim's classmates, Dib, sees right through the disguise. Dib, already obsessed with the paranormal, loses his mind trying to prove Zim's true identity. Throughout the entire process, though, his own father, Professor Membrane, stands in staunch opposition to his son's efforts.
So I find you here, son. You know not to use my tools for your parascience.
As one of the world's leading scientists, Professor Membrane claims to have revolutionized every field of scientific study, and he takes a hard stance against the existence of the paranormal. Membrane constantly tells Dib that his fake science is inferior to Membrane's real science, despite sometimes being presented with overwhelming evidence of the existence of aliens.
There are no aliens. You've been watching those transmissions since you were a baby with an enormous head. It's time to move on, son.
And this is our first clue that Professor Membrane isn't all that he seems. Despite having a clearly scientific mind, he absolutely refuses to acknowledge any evidence of alien life. Beyond the typical things that other Earthlings write off, like Zim's appearance, Membrane is confronted directly with aliens and alien technology multiple times throughout the series, but repeatedly chooses to ignore it. In the episode Bloaty's Pizza Hog, which was FNAF before FNAF existed, Dib and his sister Gaz call Membrane from a working Irkin spaceship. No reaction. Later, in the Invader Zim movie Enter the Florpus, he's confronted with a garage of evidence, but again, declares it all fake.
As a man of science, I need proof, and I just haven't seen...
Proof? How do you need more proof than this? Everything I've collected from my countless battles with Zim. I wish, just once, you'd have my back.
Wishing isn't very scientific, son.
And it only gets worse considering by the end of that movie, Membrane is abducted by Zim, taken to space jail, and surrounded by actual aliens. Rather than considering all the possibilities of such a wild discovery, Membrane instead acts like the whole thing was just a hallucination.
Well, that was very convincing.
Because it's real, Dad!
He even admits confusion over the existence of his alien doppelganger Clembrain.
I'm very confused right now.
But continues to deny the existence of aliens, often going on TV to make such a claim, even at the expense of his own son.
What about that glowing thing? Look at it! That's no human glow!
Possibly a weather balloon. Or swamp gas.
It's almost like he's trying to keep the public in the dark about aliens for some reason. Now, one obvious reason for this could be that